Hello and welcome back. In this short lecture, we're going to learn about how to configure and assign eSIM profiles for the end users. We have already created a group called eSIM capable devices. It's a simple AT group which we created. Later point, I'm going to assign for that group because I identified some of the devices which are going to target for this specific group. Let's go back to the Intune console and under device configurations, you have an option. Here you have an option called eSIM cellular profile. So if this feature is currently, it is in a public preview. That means it's not fully enabled feature, but it's gonna soon, it's gonna uh, offer for everyone. But at this point of time, it's going to be just a preview. So there could be some kind of bugs. If so, you can report to Microsoft all the time. And now let's go back to the configuration settings, how to configure and when to use this. For example, these days, you are not going to get the physical SIM. Instead, the mobile operators are providing eSIM. For example, the devices like Surface Pro or could be your iPhone or iPad or fully supported eSIM capabilities. And these capabilities also extended certain uh, to the different devices, for example, Asus, Novo TP370QL or Asus TP401, or if you take it HP ProBook G5, like different devices altogether got these capabilities or offering. So what happens is your company will acquire the eSIM activation codes from the mobile operators, and then that information you would be imported here. Later point you would be assigning for the required devices. That's how it's gonna work out. For that, you need to create, you need to basically get the eSIM activation codes from your mobile operators. For example, I have here Vodafone specific activation code. So the way you have to write would be the SMDP is the standard later point, whatever the mobile activation code server is there, which is provided by your mobile operator, and that needs to be entered. And this is, make sure that this is it's like your FQDN, fully qualified domain name kind of thing. So you need to enter that. Post to that the code which they give. So this is a two-way. For example, the first part would be the actually your code, and then followed by some kind of an activation code. So this information will be provided by your mobile operator. Once you have this mobile operator given cellular profile, save that into CSV format, or write or save or create in this format, and then upload this file to your cellular subscriptions. For example, to do that, I need to go to add, and then simply that will show me the path where I have, for example, I have copied my SIM cellular profile information and simply upload that. If everything matches, it's going to say that, hey, how many number of activations you have. For example, in my case, I have only two. The first one would be the definitely FQDN for my mobile operator, and the other two are just the activation. So simply click OK. That would actually create the policy. Let the bunch you can assign for the required groups. For example, we created a group called eSIM cellular profile, so we can assign for that group. So whatever the users are there, they are gonna get these eSIM cellular, and then it's gonna work for them the mobile activation. That's how this specific topic works. Unfortunately, I can't proceed further because I don't have any of the proper eSIM activation codes. Otherwise, I could have shown you here. Thank you for watching this, but the process quite simple and easy. Thank you for watching this.